What is happening, guys? It's Fireboy900 here, and I'm going to be telling you 3 facts of the Thameslink Railway Company. So, firstly, they run between Brighton, Horsham, Gatwick, Croydon, and Bedford, Sutton, Rainham, and Wimbledon, Lewisham, Sevenoaks, and London, and Elephant and Castle, London Bridge, St Albans, Peterborough, and Cambridge. Here's fact number 2. They have trains like the Class 700 only. They used to have one of the Class 319s, 387s, and 377s. They can run underground through London. The Class 700 and the Thameslink really make a difference, and they are the only trains to run on their network. Here's fact number 3. Sometimes they divert over to the southeast of England via Lewisham to get to their places because of engineering works. And that's all I have to say. And that's it. So thanks for watching. As always, subscribe for more videos, and until next time, cheerio!